Hello, hello. Welcome back to my craft room. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me. Today we have a freebie from the Paper Bee. I went ahead and cut out all the pieces, but I printed these on cardstock. Isn't that really, really cute? Now, you can get this freebie over on the Facebook group, but she doesn't leave her freebies up forever, so you need to pop over there, join the group, and get your freebie. It's really cute. It says Valentine's Day to me, but it's more than just kissy kissy and hearts. I just really like it. Like, I especially love this little key, the shaped journaling card. That's really cute. Okay, so I wanted to just take these pieces and make something like a double pocket is where I was going, I think. This is a little pocket. I folded that already. I used my scoreboard to fold the edges in. And I think I'm going to use the large tag as the base and then put that on there and then have another pocket on the back. So we'll see how it all comes together. I've got a couple of book pages here. I've got some washi tape. I've got some, whatever this is called, seam binding. Little pink seam binding. I've got some pink brads. I've got my bucket of trims. Just all my scraps from my desk that go in there. So let's see what we can come up with. So I was toying around with the pieces a little bit, and I thought that the big tag could go right there, and that is a cute, cute pocket. And then I wanted to do like this big label on the back as the other pocket. So I need to decorate the back of this, but I want to cover up these edges. So I'm going to glue the pocket down first, I think. Let's scooch everything to the side and get out my glue. So of course, to do this you need scissors, you need to print out the printable, all that good stuff. And glue. Come on, let go. You could do it. Okay. We'll see. The cap didn't want to let go there, guys. It was touch and go for a moment. Let's get some of the gunk off of there. I have been going gung-ho cleaning my craft room, so the air in here is definitely better. Like, if you saw my decluttering video the other day, oh, it's been great actually. I'm finding things that I didn't remember I had, putting them away so I can actually enjoy them. It's been awesome. And then also, giving to a charity always feels nice. So I'm donating the items next weekend. We're going to take a trip, do some donating, do some family time. All right, there we go. That is a cute pocket. Then on the back of here, I have this book. These little like souvenir books from Susan Branch, they always have like the cutest little illustrations and stuff in them. As you can see, I already tore pages out of this one. But like even the printing is cute, it's different. So I really like using these books. I found this one and I found a couple of Christmas ones in the small size and a larger size. So I had marked this, the Valentine's Toast. Since this is kind of a Valentine's Day theme, I think that would fit on there. So we're going to tear this page out. And we're going to lose the pretty flower, but I think we'll be all right. I think we'll make it. And I was thinking I could glue this on here, and then that would cover up the edges of the pocket folding over. All right, so we'll see how good I am at lining it up. You never know. I've got washi tape on standby, just in case. Oh, goodness. The best laid plans and how they come out. Now, my sewing machine is being a little persnickety right now, or else I would probably sew around this as well. But I think she needs to go in the shop for maintenance. I may have been, not oiling it because I didn't know that was a thing. I know you have to change the oil in your car. I didn't know you had to oil your sewing machine. So hopefully she'll be all right. All right, I'm going to see if I can kind of line this up. I want to get the whole top. Oh, yeah, it's better this way. I can see the shadow behind it. Gonna trying to... Come on, Diane, you don't have forever. Let's go. Let's go. Well, that's what we're getting. Okay. It didn't go all the way to the top, but we'll just trim it down. All right, let's trim off the page. Sometimes when you do seat of the pants crafting, it doesn't come out exactly like you hoped, but it'll still be cute. Try to get right up on there without cutting the pocket. Okay, that's not bad. That's cute. I'll probably put something up here anyway, so yeah. Trash. Alrighty, and then we put this here. Oh yes, that is adorable. Look at that. So cute. So I'm going to use this as a pocket, so I'm just going to glue the edges here. So how are y'all doing? Are you doing any spring cleaning or January decluttering? I will be having a video later this month of showing how I organize one of the areas of my craft room, or I may do a craft room tour. Which one would you guys rather see? Because I have been decluttering like crazy, so it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Okay, so there we have a pocket there, and we have a pocket on the front. Now we need some things to put in the pockets. Alright, so I like this one for the front because of the color contrast there. And then this one is pink, so that will look nice on the back. On this, I think I'm going to do these two little guys, and I'm going to put a brad there so that you can move these. I think that would be adorable. And plus we have lots of room in that pocket, so I have a little tiny pink brad, little tiny one, and a teeny tiny hole punch. So let's see if we can get these to actually work with each other. Let's see. Got that. And I kind of want this one to be, yeah, I think that'll work. I'm going to do it at the bottom. Who knows? I hardly ever use brads, so we'll see how this goes. How far down? I'm just guessing. Yeah, looks good. We'll go with it. Alright, so let's get our little brad guy. I want the kiss me on top. Okay, good. Then this one, and then in the hole. And I'm going to open up the brad on the back. No, I don't want it sticking out over the top. Let's use some washi. So I want the washi to stick, so I'm going to use my glue stick to give it a little more sticking power. I don't really trust the washi tape. It's supposed to be temporary anyway, so I want this to be permanent. We'll just add a little glue. Very nice. It's a little wrinkly. We'll live with it. There we go. Cool. Nope, don't stick to the desk, please. Thank you. Alright, so now we got the little movie bits. Nice. That can go in the front pocket. back here. Don't know if I really want to cover that up, but I don't want that poking out the front. So, let's try this one. I think we're going to go with the washi tape again across there. I really like how that looked on the other one. Am I still on camera? Okay, good. Let's see, can I line that up? Oh yeah, that is just fine for that. Isn't that cute? Some cute little roses. I don't have to use all the pieces, but I like to use all the pieces. Let's see what else we got. We have some little bits of fabric. We could put a little pull on the top of that. Wouldn't that be cute? Let me get my little tiny stapler. As they call it, a tiny attacher. It's a stapler. Just uses teeny tiny staples. Oh, that is cute. Got this on this side. If we put the bow up there. Oh, very nice. I like that. Let's do that. So how's everyone doing? Did I ask you that yet? I know I said I've been decluttering and cleaning. That's been my main focus for quite a while now, so. There we go. That is adorable. We'll use that for another project. How about that? Do I want a bit of lace or a flower? What do we want here? Something, no, you know what? I think we're going to leave well enough alone. I like this. This would be cute. You could write some little love notes on the back. You could tuck a gift card in here. Maybe, you know, for your sweetheart, let's go out to dinner, you know, your favorite restaurant. Some sweet nothings. Maybe a thin little chocolate bar in there. I'm just saying, it's the way to my heart. I hope you enjoyed this project, and head on over to the Paper Bee. Her Facebook group is free. She gives away freebies all the time, and right now her Etsy shop, everything is 75% off, so you cannot beat that with a stick. It is so good. Head on over there, and I'll have all the links in the description box. So thanks for stopping by. See you later.